the 25th of January, and it's snowing at my house, so we're gonna go outside and see what it's like. See, we're outside. Yeah, big deal. We don't get a lot of snow where me and Garnet live, so it's a really big deal. So we're going out. Can you see my face at all? I think you can. Let's go. It's freezing! What? No. It's only like an inch, but whatever. You can still do fun stuff. Yeah. Ah, snowflakes on my iPod. Sorry if you thought this was gonna be like a real cool video. Well, it's not. Just me being my weird random self. Okay, so my iPod started to get wet. But I'm not stopping. Just go like this and cover the screen. Plus I just got a new case that's like kind of waterproof. Just walk. See? Not real deep. Feels so cool. Woo! Get mine. I'm going to show the wolf way. Don't forget, owls are epic. So are wolves and cats. And most importantly,